song don't dey on all platforms. Stream, download, share.
Definitely.
Olomi. So if the one search for that, they will take search for that.
So just Olomi 20th anniversary edition.
Okay, 20th anniversary edition. Okay, and another person did the line. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, what will be your name? Where they call from?
Hello.
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 Yeah.
Network don't do something.
May we take messages?
Yeah, more do some messages. Yeah.
All right. Good afternoon, Lady Jan Godwin and Tosin Martins.
Good afternoon. Hello, Tolu.
This song don't make and save relationships. Don't be small. I played this song while my daughter was in the car with my wife. She's just 11 years old, but still keeps on singing the song from time to time.
Amazing.
I tell her, say the song old pass am, but she they tell me say
she
how come she still they hear the song. I tell them say now waiting to happen when you sing quality, unlike waiting them they sing now.
Thank you, sir.
This one say good afternoon, Naija FM. My name is Decency from Lagos Island. Please.
I like that name. Decency.
Okay, you know consign.
Okay.
No consign us. Good afternoon, Oga Godwin. I was in JS when the song came out. It was my best songs that year. This is Prince from Ogudu.
JS2.
Prince. You're not supposed to hear. Okay, well, no, clean song. So if you
JS2 that time, you don't graduate from university now.
Good afternoon, first voice and Lady J. I love this particular song like mad because I love love. It puts one in one kind mood. Madam Vera.
Okay.
Nothing better, fast love.
I remember one of my mentors, she now be Bishop Funke Adejuma.
Oh, yes.
She say her ringtone na Olomi.
I know. In fact, incidentally, and so Bishop, we did do, I mean, I'm sure that's your next question. What's coming next? One of the things we do documentary.
Okay.
They try just record, curate all the different experiences of the song, people where they use the song for events, all those kind of things, people for industry where they use them. Bishop, she be one of the people where follow us do documentary. She decide documentary, Alibaba.
So now see the pipeline now.
Yes. So by the grace of God, we go do the 20th anniversary concert. June 28th, my birthday.
Okay, my birthday too now.
Can you imagine?
You know, so we share birthday together.
Can you imagine? So now 5 of us be that to Sage na that day, Fashola na that day, Mastercrafts na that day.
Exactly.
Wow.
So that now all of us go do birthday.
For your lineup.
No, we go do birthday.
For your lineup because I get new.
So on that day, we go do the concert, then we go show the documentary. Everybody go do. Timmy Dakolo, Johnny, everybody.
Okay.
Alibaba, Bishop.
That's
also
good.
Kingsley Okonkwo, everybody.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's good. That's good. Okay, Lady J, take one or two.
Okay.
We'll take some more messages before.
Good afternoon, Oga Godi and Lady J. I really like this song. Anytime I hear this song, make me to join music. Baba, don't forget your boy here, legend.
Thank you, sir.
Classic from Ikoyi. Okay.
Thank you.
What do you mean by that? Lovely song. I really enjoyed the remix. Keep it up, man.
Oh,
God.
thank you.
I would love to work with you.
Please,
This
it will be a
Navi
joy.
sound.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Godwin and Lady J. My name is Samuel Oluwasegun Ajoni from Itire. Tosin Martins, welcome to Naija FM. All your songs are full of inspiration. That's your Christmas song. Why no put them on audio mark? Make person feel listen to one.
I feel like say it did audio mark. I beg check. It did audio mark. It's on all platforms.
Okay.
Yes. The Christmas song.
Yes. Okay. It did Spotify. It did everywhere. You know, after that, then we harass me.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your amazing new song. It's absolutely incredible.
Thank you so much.
The melody is catchy and your vocals are on fire.
Can't
wait
sir.
to listen to it on repeat. Large P.D. Noble song listening from Sierra Leone.
This Sierra Leone people, I love now.
Hey, good afternoon, Naija FM and legend Tosin Martins. The song na evergreen and I love her.
This legend when I talk small low.
I'll
be small pequeno.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Network.
What they do network today? Today where I come.
These first two people will call. They enter. I don't know why line can't begin. The first two people will talk to them now. So I don't know why. 02015151027 02015152027.
Which network?
Now don't hear.
But I don't offend person.
Yeah. Now don't hear what next. 20th anniversary edition of Olome, the concert in June on his birthday will also be my birthday. And then I go see the documentary on the thing and the song and the experience. Like, I mean, the experiences people they put so.
Yes, so.
When they send messages, say and they play for their wedding and all that.
This person talk. Say, I'm not a Yoruba lady, but I led the chorus of this song for a wedding in the church back then. Wow. You are a legend, sir, and you will still rule forever.
Amen.
Much love, sir. Angel from VI.
Thank you, Angel. God bless you.
02015151027, 02015152027. The DJ will take one more message before we take this call.
Good day, Oga Godwin and Fab Lady J. The music too bam is making me feel like getting married pretty soon.
Please do.
From Ikotun.
I bet do make I can't sing.
Hello, good afternoon.
This one say it's been long. The song don't take for long, Abi. So imagine saying that year I born Pikin. Pikin was only 20 years old by now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Voila.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Voila.
Okay, so now don't hear the song there on all platforms. Stream, download, share, and of course, we'll not tell now what next for the song.
Music video goes soon come, so no worry.
So music will come before that.
I've been there with Johnny on Friday. We shoot some small things for social media. So music video go follow soon. No worry.
Video go follow soon. All right, Tosin. Before you come out, you get one experience where you tell me. You remember the last time when you come here, you tell me one thing about this song. You know, since another time they also do all those using the song as ringtone.
Yes.
Where you tell us about the first payment when they give you, where you know expect. So I hope they just release that memory again of that experience of the money when they pay you. Where you be say when they tell you say see how much you don't make, you know.
One you can't remember today.
No. So just tell us that experience. So when you drop the song,
yes,
you know that period, the song can't blow. You know, that time they do all this downloading with ringtone. You never know.
So that time we never begin all this streaming all this kind of, so we know to get the kind of money where people where they blow today they get.
Yes.
And pray and I say now as we they try remake them, we they put all our old catalog on top, you know, all these platforms, then people go stream if we made that kind of money. That's not the challenge with my own generation being faced. But at least ring back tones and things been did that time.
Yes.
So me I not to say
expect say
so when they just call me from office say okay, get one check for you for ring back to me. I say ring back tone. What's in the inside ring back tone? I say no worry. You guys say no worry. I say you say change if you bring and make I change the name with the check because that's what you see for here. I'm talking. This is 2007. At that time, how much be dollar? Maybe dollar na like 100 naira to. I don't
even say you don't reach 100 naira at that time. Maybe like 80 something, or maybe like 100 and maybe 110, 120, something like that.
Yeah, so every 1,000 like maybe $15 or something. At that time, 700k. The first 6 months, I said, hey, I look the check, I look at it, I say, now this song. So I can't imagine say the people where can't get the platform, what those songs don't get. So we thank God.
700k.
We thank God at that time.
If I get that kind of money, I don't face with that.
Then they bring money for you. You say when they leave and you don't know say.
Because I don't know say. I know say na better money. I think say na just because before that time people they give me 10k.
No,
I think say na.
What's in there right here? They say dollar to naira in 2007. I Google and 65 naira to $1.
Can you imagine?
65 naira.
According to what I see,
can't do 700,000 divided by 65 naira. Na better money.
Na better money.
Now me say 65,000 and now $1,000 now.
Yes.
So that was about like $12,000. Wow, serious matter.
Now what? Don't try them now. Don't try them now.
But that not serious matter. Our country, God go help us.
700k in 2007
was
$11,000+.
That
was 18 years ago.
My God,
18 years ago.
And in 18 years, it has gone to 1,600.
Now recently, just gone to 1,540 something now. It reached 1,700. This one, he almost won
65 naira.
You know, for January, he almost won 2,000 that time.
Wow.
You know, so it's well.
Baba,
it's well with us.
Can I help us? I'm going to go back to that time.
You know, so that they say somebody, I mean, some people like you, people in on the legends and icons. So one day they say something, they will just mistakenly stumble upon their song for streaming platforms. Somebody don't help them go put out with, they don't do they cash out.
Yes, so.
You don't.
Yes, so. Oh, plenty. My songs plenty for there. We will not be me.
When not be you put.
Yes.
And then they cash
so
out.
now we just using our new publishing platform, we're trying to just recover everything.
Cover everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
People have been milking those things for many years.
Can you imagine?
Wow, I don't know. I just
We know that period, 2005. Would they check?
Maybe they check anywhere.
You don't know.
They check
But
anywhere.
so right now, if somebody wants anything from Tosin Martin, all they need to do now to go on streaming platform, type your name,
Yes, please.
your
you'll
catalog, your
find me.
materials will come out there.
You go see me anything you want to
Okay,
find.
okay.
All right. On a lighter note, as a pastor where you be, I heard the story of this pastor. He say in church members don't trouble and then they agree and sleep when they're about to chop. Pastor Wala dey here. Oh, this one. So one day when he come church, after I greet church finish, he say to the title of today's message now, wetin I do now. That's the title of today's message. Wetin I do now. Let me call myself. I don't call myself, but yet.
How can I leave it?
No, don't agree me chop. If I dey with my wife now, we won't go cloud 9. Now so now go call spoil everything.
When I go meet Jesus, 9 die for now. Me, they just send me make I tell you now what you do. No video. I understand. That's the life of a pastor, but it's joyful. It's joyful. Those same people too are a blessing.
Yeah,
so thank God.
Now, so
Thank God.
sometimes I go dey vex for popsi like
I
this.
know.
Money where maybe he don't plan, so okay, go buy suya for the whole family. Next we go just say so and so
Person sick. Yesterday I enter service. I hear say person don't do something. At police station I go straight. First beginning of service.
Can you
And they are
imagine?
closed.
Go
Go bail person. So that's the life of a pastor.
This is where with us.
Life of the past. Okay, Tosin, thank you very much for
Thank you
coming.
for
Godwin, Lady J.
Like when I don't hear the song there on all platforms.
I love
Stream,
una
download
too
and
much.
Share 'em. Yes, and of course expect the video very soon.
Very soon.
And
Very,
the
very
20th
soon.
anniversary edition concert they come by June 28th,
Yes.
our birthday.
Yes,
And
yes, sir.
also documentary and all that.
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, so for those of you that see the drop comment and those who they try to call, I don't know. They will need to sort out these lines. I don't understand what.
Mukuna no vex. So I love all of
Those two people where their calls enter, they get locked. The other one that time they be like this. So of course, like when they talk, if music sweet, it makes sense, and now waiting they produce well. They always play them 2 times. So since now in the rain
And
now,
the third time.
the 20th anniversary edition of the song "Alone Me" by Tosin Martins, where he featured Johnny Drill and Mega. We'll go play them again one more time. Tosin, what will be your final words at this for today before you leave the studio for everybody they listen now?
Well, una do well. Thank you for 20 years. I did grateful say all of una support us. Una they play the music. All these good things why they hear. If una no listen, no go possible. So God go bless everybody. This new one make una do the same thing. And I just pray say this our music industry. We go grow, reach place where we say every song go say something we go last past 20 years.
Yeah.
So more and more. Nigeria's God don't bring attention to our music now. Make we take on to the next level. So that it go last past now.
Yeah. That's good.
Because this is a turn by turn.
Yes.
You-
Yes.
One time na Jamaica, one time na India, now na Africa. So before the thing go move, at least maybe we get music where we say people go still they listen to.
Yes.
True.
Timeless.
And that na
music.
lyrics, na in the determiner.
Yeah, timeless
So make we
music.
say
go
something.
dey, we go outlive.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you for
Tosin.
coming,
Oh,
Pleasure.
All right. Now, this again, the 20th anniversary edition remix of "Follow Me" by Tosin Martins, Johnny Drill, and Mega. Now, they come next.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.